Hi everyone, it's Aysat. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you some of the things that I found on the internet for the spring season. I am not going to lie, the budget is kind of tight this year, so I have to find some solutions. Luckily, when I went on Asos, I found out that there was big sales on this site. So I was able to find some little things. Are you ready to see it? Let's go. Let's begin with this beautiful dress. Everything that I'm going to show you is from Asos, but I'm going to put all the links of the total looks down below. I love colors, so I think that I have to precise it before we start the video because you are going to see a lot of colors. If you don't like colors, this beautiful dress from Asos, very cheap, but it looks great. It looks spring with all those flowers. The fabric is okay. The length is okay, everything is okay, and I really love the way it looks. It's very light, very fun. I just fell in love with this dress. I don't usually buy this kind of dress. Honestly, it's the first time that I purchase something like this, but it looks good on the girl on the site, and honestly, I think it looks better on me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Then, I don't know how you call it in English, but in French we say coup de cœur. Coup de cœur. This is my coup de cœur, So this is a kind of grunge dress. The fabric is very cool. It's like a very big t-shirt, So it's very comfy, and the length is just perfect. The sleeves are so cute. I just loved this. It's very oversized, and yes, I just, this is again my coup de cœur. The color, I don't know if you would be able to see the real color, but it's between a gray, light gray, and purple. It's a purple gray, and I love it. I just love it. It's so beautiful. So I think, honestly, you are going to see me a lot in this dress this spring and this summer as well. Third dress that I purchased on Asos. This is the only item that was not on sale. So I paid it the full price, but okay. I already said that I had a coup de cœur, but this is the second coup de cœur, okay? So comfy. Like I love the comfiness when it comes to clothes, dresses, and everything. Again, the fabric is super comfy, and the color is great. And I love the fact that it's, it's so flattering, and it gives to your body a type of, a shape. I just love this dress. I think I can wear it with sneakers and look great, but I could as well wear it with mules, with heels, sandals. I think it will look great with everything. I love this dress. Then, honestly, I was not going to purchase this one, but the fabric just caught my attention. I don't regret at all. I'm so happy with, the shape of the dress is very good. It fits very good. I love everything about this dress. The length is perfect. I was afraid that it's, too short or something, but not at all. It's very good. The size, everything, like the fit, the fabric. It's also very comfy, and I was very surprised about it. And I think you can wear it with sneakers as well, or for every day, for a look more lounge or something. Then, not a dress, but a crop top. I was surprised by the size because it's very cropped, like it's very, very short, but it's not gross. You can wear it with some elegant pants, high waisted or something, or just as I did with a very large pants for a more street style look. So very happy with this. Very, very cheap. I bought two because it was very cheap. And the last but not least, so this is a dress. When I opened the package, honestly, I was a bit, I was not sure because, you can see through the holes. I was not sure. I thought it's maybe too much, big, the big sleeves and everything. But when I put it on, I completely changed my mind. I was like, oh, wow, this one is made for you, girl. It's not my style. Honestly, this is not something that I would wear every day. Not gonna lie. But for a special occasion, or if I want to go out with my husband one day, maybe I'm invited at, I don't know, a dinner or a special occasion, I think this could be good to wear something like this. I just fell in love with the color. Like the color with the darkness of my skin is just everything. Voila! I hope you guys like this video. If it's the case, do not hesitate to click on the like button. Do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and do not hesitate to tell me if you liked the dresses, which one was your favorite. That's it for this video. See you soon. Oh my god, c'était pas facile.